First, we have the sound E. This is a long vowel sound. In pronunciation, you need to do one, smile slightly, opening your mouth a little. Let your tongue touch the sides of your upper teeth. Examples of this sound include words like team, team, e, see, see, and police, police. Now repeat after me. Team, team, see, police. Good. Remember the sound is long and clear. Next, we have the sound E. This is a short vowel sound. To make this sound, your mouth should be more relaxed and your tongue is positioned slightly lower than for E. Example of E include sit, sit, eat, sit, pizza, 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 and machine. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Sit, pizza, machine. Silent. Did you notice the difference? The E sound is shorter and less tense compared to E. Now, let's compare that two sound with minimal pairs. These are pairs of words where one word has E and the other has E. For example, 1. Sit and sit. 2. Beat and beat. 3. Hit and hit. Can you hear the pronunciation? Listen carefully and repeat after me. Sit, sit. Beat, beat. Hit, hit. Good job. You're doing amazing so far. Alright, that's all for today's lesson about E and E. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these sounds. Try recording yourself and comparing your pronunciation to native speakers. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps you improve your English pronunciation. See you next time.